Let's graph this equation using a table. Our equation is y equals negative 2x plus 3. Now we're going to randomly pick numbers to put into x, and then we're going to substitute that x value into the equation to find y. Now it really doesn't matter what you substitute in for x, so I'm just going to randomly pick 0. Now what we're going to do is we have y equals negative 2x plus 3. Now we decided to put 0 in for x, so y equals negative 2 times 0 is 0 plus 3. So it turns out that when x is 0, y is 3. And that's our first ordered pair, 0, 3. Now let's just pick another random number to put in for x. Let's try 2. Okay, I just picked it out of the air. So y equals negative 2 times x plus 3. I'm going to put 2 in for my x. So negative 2 times 2 is negative 4 plus 3. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. And there's my second ordered pair. Now to graph a line, we only really need 2 ordered pairs, but I like to do a third one just to make sure that my other 2 points line up. So let's randomly pick another number. How about we pick negative 2? So I have y equals negative 2 parentheses plus 3. I'm going to put negative 2 in for x. So we have negative 2 times negative 2 is 4 plus 3, and we end up with 7. So when x is negative 2, y is 7. So now let's graph those. The first one I'm going to graph is 0, 3. So that means it's 0 on the x and 3 on the y. So we're going to put a point right here. My next ordered pair is 2, negative 1. That means I'm going to go 2 on the x, but down 1 on the y. And there's my next ordered pair. And let's try the last one. So the last one is negative 2, 7. So that means I'm going to go negative 2 on the x, but 7 on the y. Now sometimes this can be a little hard. There we go. All right, now I'm going to draw the line as best I can. And there's the line. And we should label it too. Y equals negative 2x plus 3. And that's all there is to graphing a line using a table. And we did it. Good job.